Guys, probinsyanong trader na naman. So another video tutorial guys about futures trading. So tingnan natin yung current position ko. So as you can see, meron akong 5 buy long position. Okay, so with decent leverage, decent margin, and nag-max leverage ako guys kasi alam ko na reversal na, at syempre nagbe-base tayo kay Bitcoin. So as you can see, okay, in 4 hours guys, makikita nyo yung sa baba volume. Alright, in 4 hours time frame, in 30 minutes time frame, yung buying pressure or volume above average. As you can see, yung mga candlestick pattern, sobrang laki yung volume. So ito yun guys. So hold lang natin to. Alright, so yun lang muna, pakita ko lang yung mga alright. In just a few minutes or hours, so yung rejection niya is around 48,888 yung all-time low. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, $6, $4 earning natin sa mga current position natin. So maliit lang na margin pero okay na din kasi nag partial take profit na naman tayo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching.